Okay, this is the German hot chocolate from the Christmas market. I warm up, this is already hot milk, about 70-80 degrees. To do that, you put the milk in the microwave. It's the easy way. You do 50% of power, 400-500 watt. For 1.5 minutes it's enough. More don't need. Just maybe a minute is schon enough. You can open it and check. So, and then the first what you do is chocolate powder, any brand, but no sugar from this. This is only from the cacao powder with 25% cacao butter. That's the fat from the butter. And here I have the one I opened before, that's the rest, so I will empty this. This is approximately good for this cup. That's about 2-3 spoons of this. You do that with the warm milk, so it's easier to dissolve. It must really complete dissolve. Then you add a little sugar. You don't need so much because we get the taste later. You say, okay, I like it medium sweet. So small spoon, 2 spoons sugar. Now it's time to really mix it up properly. You can use it in a pot, but it's more difficult because when you put the heat and you have a tin pot, then it is a problem that you burn the milk and you get the taste from the burning milk and you can throw it in the garbage. So after this, now we come to the important. Almost dissolved, you see there is no clumps here. And now we come to the important. You don't need to buy all this expensive overpriced stuff like green label, blue label, over gold label and triple label. You just buy here like this, Vecchia, Romagna, Italian, Classico. It's not so expensive. And then you put here a little bit inside. Like this. So you have 4 or 5 centiliter. Vecchia Romagna is good. I like that. I know it already for 40 years. So that's it. And then you mix it. And so you have, after that, don't burn your mouth because it smells good and everybody want to try it and everybody is curious. Don't burn your mouth. I did that already, so don't need to do. After you stir it properly well again. And then you have your beautiful Lumumba. I'm coming. Wow, beautiful. Smells good. But since we don't have a TV with smell possibility properties, you must imagine that. Okay. Thank you very much.